Okay, so this is the main homepage that you're going to first come to when you sign in through Wayne State's library onto JSTOR. You're going to be taken to this page. And as you can see, this is the basic search interface. So you're going to have just a really basic search line here, or you could also browse by discipline if you like. So, any of one of these subjects that are listed in alphabetical order, you can see how many titles they have, so that's how many journals they have specifically on that subject. So if we were studying history and we didn't quite know what we wanted, but we knew we wanted to look into some sort of history journal, there's 316 titles on history, but if we click on it, while it loads here, we're going to be able to see all the different journals that JSTOR has that relate to history. But as you can see, we are limited in access because these little yellow stars here, these mean that Wayne has no access to these journals. But these green check marks mean that Wayne does have access to the articles within these journals. There's also these little half-filled green circles. That means that Wayne only has partial access to the content in here. There's also this little arrow. That means that most of the content you can find on another site. So if you click on that, it'll take you to a separate site. But let's just say we want to search this journal right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to take you to this journal and then give you the number, like different volume numbers and different publications of this journal. And if you're just browsing, then you can click on that and then you'll see each article that you can access this way. But as librarians, we're probably not going to be doing too much browsing. So what we're mainly going to focus on is the advanced search, which is on the main page, and you just click advanced search here. Now as you can see, it's a little bit more complicated. You have a lot more fields to search by, and you can add as many as you like. You can also narrow by the item type, so we have article, review, or you can search miscellaneous and pamphlets. There's a date range that you can put in if you want to limit by date, and also you can limit by language. So if you want to search articles that are not in English and you don't want to type it into the search, you can just select that here. Also, if you happen to already know the publication title, then you can put that here too. Similar to the basic search, but a little bit different, you can narrow by discipline. So if you know that you specifically want something on women's studies, you can click this and it's going to search whatever subject you put in up top here, or title, but it's only going to search them within these 29 different journals. So that's the advanced search interface.